to explain the experiment we're going to perform to show how we can save the ozone layer from the hairspray that we commonly use.
We will demonstrate how the UV rays from the sun affect the polar ice caps by using a UV bulb on two biospheres that are opaque polar ice caps, and they will be frozen. So we'll see how the rate at which they melt out.
Anyway, how we're going to get this stuff. We don't have a UV lamp yet, but we do have a cooler and ice buckets and buckets that we're going to use at the biospheres in our disposal. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to have my family buy the UV lamp, and he's going to bring in the cooler and buckets and stuff, and we can probably get the water from here. So, alright then, the next step we have is
Let's do it. Let's get to it. Alright, we're about to start the experiment. Let's do it!
Safety first!
For our first step, we're going to tape the UV flashlight to the top of this so it doesn't fall into the buckets while we're doing the experiment, because that would be bad.
Next, we will fill these two buckets with an equal amount of water.
Oh yeah, Charlie.
After that, we fill both buckets with an equal amount of ice. This will replicate the Arctic zone that has the ozone. Yeah.
You get the idea. Don't get it on the computer. Okay. You might not see it, but the buckets are in here. Our next step is to put the thermometers in there so we can measure the temperature later on. There we go. Alright.
Next, we will cover our biosphere with plastic wrap. This will replicate the ozone and how it protects from the UV rays of the sun. Now you can just cut this.
Okay. By the way, the second one, or the one to the right, the right bucket, it does not have any plastic wrap because it's supposed to show the hole in the ozone layer, and since there's no ozone in the hole, obviously, we decided just not to put anything there. Now to begin, we take the measurement of the temperatures of both of the buckets every 5 minutes, and the UV light will be turned on. We're going to have the wedge there to keep the cooler open, up like that, so that the flashlight doesn't go straight into the buckets or beneath the buckets, because then it wouldn't be getting proper UV radiation. No, you got to be careful when dealing with UV radiation, because it is a hazardous material. There is a reason that we are experimenting on this, because if the ozone layer is completely eradicated, there will be no protection from the sun, and we'd all be burnt to a crisp.
As you can see by our data, the control, or the one with the ozone on it, was more well insulated than the one without the ozone, or the experiment.
It's true we did not get much data, but that's because apparently this sort of melting takes a lot of time. But thanks for watching anyway, and I hope you love this clip. So, we learned a few things from this experiment. We learned how to set up an experiment using the scientific process and to be careful when dealing with ultraviolet radiation.
We also learned that the ozone is an important part of our planet, and products such as hairspray contain volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that harm the ozone.
Remember, the ozone protects us, so try to limit your usage of hairspray so that Earth can breathe a little better.
Bye!